Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You load practice mode and pick Chapter 2 to isolate the security key run. First, you spawn and immediately note Granny's patrol vector so you can time moves. This reduces surprise encounters. Once done, equip the flashlight and take tape and a single lockpick to avoid inventory clutter. Move to the nearest safe room and listen for audio cues indicating locked doors or mechanical sounds. Make sure to mark landmark items mentally so you don't backtrack unnecessarily. You systematically sweep Chapter 2 critical rooms: basement, garage, and study. Open crates and behind tools because the security key often spawns near utility areas. This is why you prioritize those spaces. Once you hit the study, thoroughly check desk drawers, bookshelves, and wardrobe crevices while crouch walking to minimize noise. If you hear a faint metallic clink after moving an object, pause. That sound usually signals a nearby spawn. Make sure to retrace recent shelves. If you miss it the first, you pick up the security key and immediately plan a safe exit route to the seizure point or locked door you need to open. Move with deliberate, quiet steps. Once done, if Granny is too close, toss a small object toward a distant corner to create a distraction and slip past. If the key isn't where you expected or Granny traps you, make sure to reload practice mode. Spawns reset, and you can rehearse timing without penalties. Troubleshooting tip: reload if audio cues seem wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.